Picture yourself rising each day with the confidence to take on anything that comes your way, vibrant, dynamic, and brimming with vitality, even if you find yourself in your 60s or older. Imagine discovering that the secret to maintaining your strength and vitality is as straightforward as your bedtime snack choices. As you drift into slumber, your body tirelessly engages in its vital tasks, restoring tissues, strengthening muscles, and ensuring you stay in peak condition. However, there's a twist. Without proper nourishment, your muscles may gradually diminish night after night. As you rest at night, once you reach the age of 60, you may experience a decline of up to 8% in your muscle mass every 10 years. A significant portion of that loss occurs during those serene moments of rest. It's a subtle process that drains your strength while you remain blissfully unaware. No need to fret. A compelling solution awaits. Transform your mornings with a simple adjustment to your bedtime routine. Safeguard your muscles, alleviate those pesky morning aches, and awaken with a renewed sense of vitality like never before. This is not about intricate meal plans or rigorous exercise routines. Discover intelligent, research-supported food selections that anyone can easily integrate into their lifestyle. Today, I'm excited to unveil 7 amazing foods that can transform your evenings into a rejuvenating experience, empowering you to remain active, strong, and independent for years ahead. Embark on this transformative journey to age with strength and uncover the secrets to nourishing your body as you rest. Imagine your body as a bustling construction site that operates around the clock. Each evening, it's all about repairing walls, reinforcing foundations, and ensuring everything operates seamlessly. However, without the appropriate materials, it begins to dismantle its own components to fulfill its requirements. This refers to a process known as catabolism, where your body dismantles muscle tissue to provide energy for vital functions. This occurs when you retire for the night without having a meal, resulting in your body remaining in a fasting state for several hours. After the age of 60, this becomes more impactful as your body's ability to utilize protein diminishes. It's akin to constructing a home with a more limited set of tools than what you once possessed in your youth. Elevate your game with innovative strategies and superior materials to maintain your muscle strength. Introducing these 7 essential foods. These aren't merely snacks, they're premium building blocks for your day. Every option is readily accessible, straightforward to make, and backed by studies demonstrating their ability to safeguard your muscles, alleviate stiffness, and potentially enhance your strength while you sleep. Get ready as we count down from number 7 to the ultimate top pick, saving the most impactful food for last. A true game changer that can enhance muscle repair by more than 20%, even if you're not working out. Let's dive in and discover how to transform each night into a stepping stone toward a more empowered you. Starting off at number 7 is a creamy, often overlooked classic, cottage cheese. Its simplicity is deceiving. This food is your ultimate ally for maintaining muscle strength during the night. Cottage cheese is loaded with casein, a slow-release protein that steadily delivers amino acids into your bloodstream for 6 to 8 hours, aligning perfectly with your sleep cycle. In contrast to proteins that are rapidly consumed, casein provides your muscles with sustained nourishment throughout the night, promoting repair and growth. A recent study published in a prominent nutrition journal revealed that older adults who consumed a small serving of casein-rich food before bedtime experienced a remarkable 30% boost in overnight muscle repair compared to those who opted out. Not only did they maintain muscle, they enhanced it. Cottage cheese is packed with tryptophan, an amino acid that promotes relaxation and helps you drift off to sleep more quickly, offering a fantastic boost for both rest and recovery. For optimal results, enjoy half a cup of plain, low-fat cottage cheese 30-60 minutes before bedtime. To elevate the flavor, consider adding sliced strawberries, a dash of nutmeg, or a touch of honey for a hint of natural sweetness. Kindly share your location with me before we get started today. We invite you to reach out with any questions you might have and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated with the best health advice from Senior Health Tips. I'd love to know if you're on board with me as you're tuning in right now. If this video speaks to you, drop a 1 in the comments below. In that case, enter 0. Boost your health by adding a teaspoon of flax seeds for an extra dose of fiber and heart-healthy fats that support your overall well-being. It's budget-friendly, easy on the stomach, and a subtle yet effective solution for those who wake up feeling stiff or not quite at their best. If you're feeling the morning aches or a decline in strength, this straightforward food might just be the solution you've been looking for. At number 7, we have a small yet powerful choice: hard-boiled eggs. Never overlook these small but mighty forces. These are loaded with premium protein, providing all the vital amino acids your muscles require to flourish. Eggs hold exceptional value for individuals over 60 due to their high leucine content, an amino acid that serves as a catalyst for muscle repair. As we grow older, our bodies require increased amounts of leucine to activate the same muscle-building response we experienced in our younger years, and eggs deliver this nutrient in a convenient and effective form. A study conducted in 2021 revealed that older adults who consumed eggs before bedtime for several months maintained 19% more muscle mass compared to those who did not. Additionally, they exhibited elevated levels of a growth hormone that aids in tissue repair, a substance that naturally diminishes as we age, experience reduced soreness, quicker recovery, and enhanced muscle strength with a straightforward snack. Just boil a batch of eggs in advance, peel them, and enjoy one or two about 30 minutes before bedtime. These options are gentle on your system and won't cause a surge in blood sugar, promoting a peaceful night's sleep. Elevate your dish with a dash of paprika, or complement it with vibrant cherry tomatoes, packed with antioxidants to combat inflammation. Elevate your dish by adding a slice of avocado, packed with healthy fats that will keep you feeling satisfied for longer. If you're looking for a simple solution for a light meal or a night off from cooking, hard-boiled eggs offer a hassle-free way to provide your muscles with the essential fuel they require to remain strong and resilient. Coming in at number 6, let's explore an unexpected bedtime champion from the sea: tuna packed, nestled in olive oil. While tuna may not be your first choice for a late-night bite, this pairing is a powerhouse for preserving muscle health. Tuna stands out as one of the leanest, protein-packed foods available, providing a substantial amount of leucine to initiate muscle recovery. Kindly share your location with me before we get started today. We invite you to reach out with any questions you might have and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated with all of Senior Health Tips' best health advice. I'd love to know if you're on board with me as you're watching this. If this video speaks to you, drop a 1 in the comments below. Enter 0 if that's the case. Olive oil brings a wealth of healthy monounsaturated fats that slow down digestion, ensuring those muscle-building amino acids linger in your system all night long. A study conducted in 2020 revealed that older adults consuming a protein and fat combination, such as tuna, before bedtime experienced a remarkable 34% boost in muscle repair compared to those who either skipped a meal or opted for a low-fat snack. They experienced reduced morning stiffness, improved vitamin D absorption, and decreased inflammation, all essential for maintaining an active and pain-free lifestyle. For a quick and easy trial, simply scoop out half a can of tuna in olive oil about 30 minutes before you hit the hay. Enjoy it alongside crisp celery sticks, refreshing cucumber slices, or wholesome whole grain crackers for a delightful and satisfying snack. A dash of lime juice or a sprinkle of fresh dill can infuse your dish with a vibrant kick, keeping it light and refreshing. Steer clear of rich dressings or mayonnaise, as they can be hard on your digestion in the evening. Tuna stands out with its impressive leucine content, making it an excellent option for combating age-related muscle loss. Meanwhile, the addition of olive oil not only promotes heart health, but also enhances overnight recovery. To maintain your freedom of movement and strength, incorporating this snack into your routine is a savvy choice. Next up at number 5, we present a creamy, delectable choice that's beneficial for both your muscles and your gut. Indulge in the creamy goodness of Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt stands apart from regular yogurt, as it undergoes a triple straining process that intensifies its protein content, reduces sugar, and delivers a thicker, more indulgent texture. This product boasts a wealth of casein protein for gradual muscle support, probiotics to promote healthy digestion, and calcium to enhance bone strength and muscle function. Research indicates that older adults consuming Greek yogurt before bedtime for 6 weeks experienced a remarkable 26% increase in muscle repair, enhanced energy production within their muscle cells, and reduced morning fatigue. This is a significant opportunity for those who start their day feeling tired or stiff. Probiotics enhance your body's ability to absorb nutrients effectively. A vital benefit is digestion, tends to slow down with age. Enjoy a half cup of plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt about 30 to 45 minutes before you hit the hay. Opt for natural ingredients over sugary flavored options that can interfere with your sleep. Consider adding a handful of blueberries, a pinch of ground ginger, or a teaspoon of pumpkin seeds to boost your fiber and healthy fats intake. Calcium works to ward off those pesky nighttime cramps, while probiotics play a crucial role in reducing inflammation and enhancing your immune system. This snack is a powerhouse, energizing your muscles, nurturing your gut, and preparing you for a lively day ahead. For those seeking an easy path to strength, Greek yogurt stands out as an ideal option. Get ready to indulge in number 4, a delightful golden drink that offers more than just comfort. Cozy up with a soothing cup of warm milk, enhanced by a delicate sprinkle of turmeric. This time-tested remedy is a powerhouse for muscle relief. Milk boasts a natural abundance of casein protein, calcium, and tryptophan, all of which contribute to relaxation and improve sleep quality. The true power lies in turmeric's curcumin, a remarkable anti-inflammatory agent that combats muscle loss and joint pain, issues that tend to arise more frequently with age. A study conducted in 2022 revealed that older adults consuming a protein-rich drink infused with curcumin before bedtime experienced a remarkable 32% boost in muscle repair, reduced morning stiffness, and achieved deeper, more restorative sleep. The soothing warmth of the drink gently relaxes your nervous system, setting the stage for restorative rest that allows your body to perform its most effective repair works. Begin by gently warming 1 cup of milk. Choose organic or A2 if you're sensitive to dairy. Next, stir in a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric along with a pinch of black pepper to enhance curcumin absorption. A hint of maple syrup can introduce a subtle sweetness if desired, but remember to keep it delicate. If dairy isn't your friend, consider switching to fortified soy or almond milk that comes with added protein. Take your time and enjoy it 30 minutes before bedtime, allowing it to work wonders. This vibrant beverage energizes your muscles, alleviates inflammation, and ensures you rise feeling revitalized and eager to take on the day. This ritual is a straightforward yet soothing practice that fosters strength and vitality. Coming in at number 3, we have a decadent, nutty delight that's both scrumptious and packed with benefits. Almond butter. Its simplicity is deceiving. This spread is a nutritional dynamo brimming with healthy fats, plant-based protein, magnesium, and vitamin E. The fats promote slow digestion, ensuring a consistent supply of energy for your muscles, while magnesium aids in relaxation and helps prevent those pesky nighttime cramps. Vitamin E serves as a powerful antioxidant, safeguarding muscle cells from potential damage. Research indicates that older adults incorporating almond-based fat into their evening routine experienced a 17% enhancement in muscle preservation and reduced cortisol levels, the stress hormone responsible for muscle breakdown. It also contributed to a more restful night's sleep. Enjoy 1 tablespoon of natural almond butter 30 minutes before bedtime, whether straight from the spoon or elegantly spread on a slice of whole grain bread or fresh fruit slices. Select almond butter that contains only pure almonds with no added sugars or oils, perhaps just a hint of salt for flavor. Magnesium plays a crucial role in alleviating restless legs, facilitating a smoother transition into deep sleep, during which your body releases growth hormones essential for repair. If you're not in the mood for a hefty dinner, this is a fast and fulfilling option to maintain your muscle strength and promote relaxation. A refreshing, tart beverage that revolutionizes muscle recovery and enhances sleep. Tart cherry juice. This is not just any juice. This powerhouse is packed with anthocyanins, antioxidants that combat inflammation and safeguard your muscles, along with melatonin to ensure you drift off and remain in dreamland. A study conducted in 2019 revealed that adults aged 50 and above who consumed tart cherry juice prior to bedtime experienced a 33% reduction in muscle soreness, a 15% improvement in sleep quality, and elevated antioxidant levels in their bloodstream. Improved sleep leads to increased growth hormone production, allowing your muscles to repair effectively, while reduced inflammation alleviates joint pain, promoting smoother movement. Enjoy 4 to 6 ounces of pure, unsweetened tart cherry juice 30 to 45 minutes prior to bedtime. To balance out the tartness, simply add a splash of water or a touch of orange juice for a delightful twist. Steer clear of sugary mixes that can elevate your blood sugar levels and interfere with your sleep. This beverage acts as a rejuvenating reset for your body, alleviating soreness, enhancing recovery, and ensuring you rise feeling revitalized. Are joint pain and restless nights keeping you from living your best life? Discover the simple, natural remedy of tart cherry juice. Discover 7 amazing foods that will transform your evenings into moments of vitality and rejuvenation. Tart cherry juice, almond butter, warm milk infused with turmeric, creamy Greek yogurt, tuna drizzled in olive oil, perfectly hard-boiled eggs, and rich cottage cheese. These are not just trends. They are proven strategies designed to enhance your vitality and keep you engaged. Muscle loss doesn't have to be a natural consequence of getting older. By nourishing your body with the right foods before bedtime, you can safeguard your strength, alleviate discomfort, and rise each morning prepared to embrace life to the fullest. This evening, choose one of these delicious options and savor the experience. Pay attention to your morning sensations, feeling stronger, more energized, and fully prepared to seize the day ahead. I'd love to know your starting point today before we dive in. We invite you to reach out with any questions you might have and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated with all of Senior Health Tips' best health advice. I'd love to know if you're on board with me as you're tuning in right now. If this video speaks to you, drop a 1 in the comments below. In the absence of a response, please enter 0. Pass this along to someone who could use a lift. And together, let's transform aging into a journey of strength and opportunity, one evening at a time. Continue to push forward, embrace your journey, and always remember that age is just a number when it comes to feeling invincible.